Yo, what up? Welcome to Sunday Night Poetry with the urban ancient poet Madzitati. So this little show is a show where I get to showcase some pieces that you may never get to hear anyway. These may be pieces that I'm still working on, pieces that I wrote that have expired, possibly because of context. And tonight's poem is titled Campus Poetry. I wrote it when I was still a Yuba, so it would be kind of odd for me to recite that poem anyway. But I'm going to recite it tonight. It's titled Campus Poetry. It had a different name, but I don't want to get into trouble. And it goes as that. Domboti ndikacheuka ndoti dai ndikasapepuka boss pakati pakati ti nemabebi nemagenga anestaira nomwe mgenga anotyaira imwe 323 indichirowa 1212 left iye achisamgeya number 2 ini ndakutobuda sweats vachidriver vari 2 neimwe trake blue neimwe nadia so but I don't know who has the Jaguar. Mini kantini kufistos hakusisina zvebhakosi 5 rand yakaexpire but bosi ndi bosi because bosi vanodya zvine tomato sauce netuvhiniga kuchicken inhomwe vasingafosi. D. Williams, Sky Juice, Basement, Jimo, Bawa, Lecture Theatre, Maclass, Great Hall, Jimo, Chechi. Dzimwe fesi unosanga nadzo kahobo Mbawa, fesi dzosanga nadzo futi mchechi. Neone ngorimo. Mostel A makaitwa election machemba matsva asi mvura yekuflasha hakuna. Mukantini mune ma-TV 7 asi projector mass lecture research hamuna. Hanzi na 8 o'clock makuseni munhu wese afanira kunge apedza kugeza. Sevanokoshesa kugeza kwedu ivakadzimira magiza. Basa kugugudzira usiku kuraid achitsvaga maswata. Security ndoiri pa-night duty kwete inini ndakuvata. Officer munondibvunza ID padore kantini nepadore bhazi. Saka imi mudhimi security chaiyo vandibvunza ID kugedhuka hasi. Kumberi kwacho hakusairitiki guys because yanga ari ma1. So folks who had cuts around 2011 may remember this poem. It actually got me into trouble at some point because ma1. But I wrote it out of anger and protest, and I sent it to one person. It was about 3 megabytes, and during this time Econet sold 5 megabytes for $1. And I sent about 3 megabytes worth of a poem and it went viral. Imagine that. So by the time we got back to campus, it was everywhere and people were asking me about it, saying, yo man, that was brave and that was dumb and that was stupid. And it rubbed off wrongly with certain staff members, but that's another story for another day. That's a story for another day, but another story. Same story. I don't know what I'm saying. Ilbo, thanks. It's Sunday Night Poetry with Madzitati. I plan to do this every week, so I may be reciting poems that you may have never heard or you may never get to hear because they are new, or poems that are old-fashioned. I might have said that before, but this is like my 5th take, so I don't remember what I said in the intro. Irbo, thanks, Khan. Madzitatiguru, the urban ancient poet. Out.